Hi there, this is Pritham, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix the problem of Windows Hello setup. So first of all, let me show you Windows facial recognition is not working in my PC. So it says Windows Hello isn't available on this device. So to fix it, first of all let's close it. So now we just need to go to search box and type edit group policy. Let's click on edit group policy. And there now we will have an option administrative templates. We just need to click on that. From administrative templates we need to go to Windows components, and now from Windows components we need to go to biometrics. So now we need to double tap on allow the use of biometrics. We just need to enable it and click on, after that we need to click on apply, and then we need to click on OK. So now let's see whether it works or not. So it's again saying Windows Hello isn't available on this device. So now we are going to use a software to add a facial recognition in our device. So now we need to go to our browser. I am going to choose Microsoft Edge. And now we need to search for Keylemon 3.2.3. We just need to click on the first link, Keylemon 3.2.3. And now we need to click on free download. Let's click on that. So after this we need to click on download link 1. So it says 87.7 MB file. So let's download it. So now the download has been completed. Let's go to our downloads. That's it, KL 3.2.3 Windows setup. I'm going to drag this to my desktop. Now let's see, we are going to set it up. It takes a bit time. So it says to choose language. You can choose your own language. I'm going to set it to English. Now we need to click on next from here. First of all, let's close all the other applications. Now we need to click on next. So we need to accept the terms of license agreement. Again we need to click on next. You can choose where you want to save this file. I want to choose another location, so I am going to choose other drive. Okay. Now we just need to click on next. So we can see space required 217.9 MB. Now we just need to click on install. So it's going to take almost about 3 to 4 minutes or less than that. So I'm going to wait for it. Okay, that's done. Now we just need to click on the checkbox, run Keylemon, and create my face. Let's tap on finish. Make sure you have good lighting conditions so that it can detect your face. So we need to click on create a new face model. Okay, next step, we need to click on next step. Now here we need to enter our Windows account password. So I am going to enter it. Let's click on finish, and now we are done. Let's check it. I'm going to lock my device's screen. So it's working perfectly. So that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching.